Research says that 21st century learning spaces reflect core values such as flexibility, a variety of spaces, comfort, and sustainability. The concept behind this design honors the past and embraces the new. Green and light gray were calming colors chosen to provide a modern appeal. With modern colors and accessories, I feel that not only will this give our classroom a home feel, but also a sense of maturity. As you can see, the soft chairs and various table shapes contribute to creating different spaces. The lamps and blinds can show different lighting options. The bookshelves can be located by the projector and in the carpeted area. The wall shelving can be located by the flag and or by the class windows to showcase hot reading right now in class. The wall art allows the room to remember the past as we look forward to developing a new future.